Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Save-A-Lot grocery haul to share with you. As always, the meal plan will be in the description box below. And let's get started. I have milk already in the refrigerator. I did buy some blueberries that are in there. And I got an 8-pound bag of potatoes. And I grabbed one of these 30 count medium eggs because this is the better deal at our Save-A-Lot right now versus buying the 18 or the 12 pack. I got a couple of these peppered gravy mixes, a bag of these biscuits, sugar, some butter. I got some of this complete blueberry pancake and waffle mix. This is delicious. Some of these cheddar cheese smoked sausages, some hickory smoked bacon, and some rolls, bread, and some Hawaiian rolls as well. Now this is a pretty large haul. I have lots of meals planned, and like I said, they're going to be in the description box below. Moving on, for school, picked up some of these Smarties and Nerds for a little Halloween party thing they're having, and 2 packages of this ranch, a chili seasoning mix. I got 2 Tropical Punch Kool-Aid mixes and an orange. I got a 32-ounce container of chicken broth. I got one of these quick dinners, the beef stroganoff, Velveeta shells, spaghetti noodles. And I pulled this stuff out by random, so the bags. This is the creamy whip, just whipped topping for coffees and hot chocolate. The spaghetti sauce flavored with meat, the hot wing sauce, barbecue sauce, and a cooking spray. Also picked up a canola oil, a Chef Boyardee pizza sauce with cheese, and a pizza crust mix. I already have the pepperonis and the mozzarella cheese to go with this to make homemade pizzas. Picked up one of the International Delight vanilla flavored iced coffees, the 5 cheese Texas toast. Also picked up a thin crust buffalo chicken pizza, and some of these crispy chicken strips. It's really good. And a bag of the crinkle cut french fries. Picked up some whole kernel corn and 2 cans of sweet peas. And I have tons of other mixed veggies and green beans and whole potatoes and all that stuff in a can. So I just needed to fill in the areas where I was lacking. And 2 of the roast beef and gravy in a can. These are actually really good and make for quick dinners. Open faced roast beef sandwiches. They're so good. Got 3 pinto beans and 2 chili beans. Last and final items I have to share with you from this grocery trip are meats. And our Save-A-Lot does a pick 5 for $25. You can mix and match them as long as they have a pick 5 sticker on them. So I did pick up 3 chicken breasts. I also got a large pack of chicken breasts at Walmart recently and divvied that up into 3 separate meals. Once again, there'll be a meal plan in the description box below. So I got 3 more chicken breasts and can make sandwiches with these. Crock pot meals. Slice them up into tenders for fried chicken. All kinds of stuff. I did get 6 of the ground beef. Lots of recipes using those. And it's an affordable meat. So 6 of those. 3 of those. And I did pick up a chuck roast today, and this is almost 2 pounds, so most likely we'll slice this and make 2 meals with this. We're a family of 3. And then last pack is a boneless country style ribs. So that's was 2 pick 5s, so $50, and the hamburger, the chicken, and the ribs, and the roast was $11.41, which isn't bad. And there's not lots of massive fatty spots either, and I like the looks of this meat. So that, oh, a couple more items. Last and final items are some Lay's cheddar sour cream potato chips and a 12 pack of the Herner's Sunny Buns, which I will divvy up these up, and this 12 pack will make us about 3 meals. I just take out what we need and freeze the rest. Well, that's been my grocery haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Stay tuned for another in the kitchen recipe coming soon. It's a fall wintry recipe. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links.